Did you know that there is a hidden danger lurking in our waters called microplastics? And it's a growing concern for our health and our environment. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective way to remove the microplastics from our water. And today, I'm going to share them with you. Hello, welcome back to your health channel. And today, we are going to talk about microplastics. It's an important issue that affects us all. So let's get started. Microplastics are the tiny plastics of plastic that are increasingly being found in our water sources, and they can have serious consequences for our health and our environment. So let's start with the basics. What are microplastics? Microplastics are tiny particles of plastic that are less than 5 millimeters in size, and they come from a variety of sources including cosmetics, clothing, and plastic wastes that break down into smaller pieces over time. They are now found in oceans and lakes and even tap water. In fact, a recent study found that 93% of the bottled water and 100% of the tap water samples tested contained microplastics. Microplastics are a concern because they can have harmful effects on both human health and the environment. When we ingest microplastics through our water, they can accumulate in our bodies and cause inflammation, oxidative stress, and even DNA damage. They can also act as a carrier for the other toxic chemicals, increasing their harmful effects. Microplastics can have negative effects on the environment. They can be ingested by animals such as fish and birds and cause physical harm. They can also accumulate in the environment and disrupt the ecosystem, affecting the food chain and biodiversity. The pathophysiology or the mechanisms of microplastics in human body is not yet fully understood. But as research in this area is still emerging, there are several ways in which microplastics are believed to cause health problems. In one way is through physical interaction with the tissues and cells. Microplastics can accumulate in various organs and tissues such as the kidneys, the livers, and the gut and cause inflammation, oxidative stress. For example, microplastics can be shown to cause inflammation and oxidative stress in the gut, which can lead to the changes in the gut microbiota and impaired nutrient absorption. Likewise, they can be absorbed and also can carry chemicals such as pesticides, heavy metals, and persistent organic pollutants or POPs, which can be released in the body and can cause toxic effects, which can disrupt the endocrine system and cause reproductive and developmental problems. Microplastics have shown to stimulate the production of reactive oxygen species by immune cells, which can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. The specific health effects of microplastics will depend on various factors such as the size, shape, and the chemical compositions of the microplastics, as well as the duration and the level of exposure. And the question arises, how can we remove from our water? One simple and effective way to remove microplastics is by boiling it and filtering it out. When a recent study claimed that by boiling tap water for 5 minutes, reduced or removed the microplastics by 90%. Boiling water can form the crystalline structures of calcium carbonate, and these particles could build over time and can be scrubbed away by pouring the rest of the water into a filter. The boiling water showed more encapsulation, which is visible in a hard water, with 90% of these microplastics being removed from a sample that had 300 milligrams of calcium carbonate per liter. But it's important to address the root cause of the problems. We can reduce microplastic pollution by using less plastic, recycling more, and supporting policies that promote sustainable practices. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. So please remember to boil your water if you feel that your water can contain microplastics. Comment and share this video with others to help them spread awareness about these important issues, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, together we can make a difference for our health and our planet. Until next time.